Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about a common challenge that is faced by technology enthusiasts. The challenge is about keeping ourselves updated around the latest tools and technologies. Many times in the past, you would have come across scenarios where you might have found a very interesting website and then you would have done a lot of research to figure out the technologies and the frameworks that were used to build this particular website. Today, we have a solution for you. There is a tool called whatruns.com. It helps you to find this information about a website that's of interest for you. The tool is basically a plugin, allows you to find information about the libraries, the frameworks, the fonts, as well as the different what I would say technologies that are used to build a website. Let's take a deep dive into the solution now.
Now let's take a look at this website, whatruns.com. So this is basically a website which allows you to find out the technology that are used within any kind of website. It may not be, it can be a portal, it can be a news website, any of those. It can be a blog or any kind of e-commerce portal. So if you're interested in knowing about the technology that is used to build this website, this is the website for you. It's basically a Chrome plugin. You can just add it to Chrome. I've already installed it. It actually displays the details. There's a lot of information that comes along with the plugin, which will be helpful for you to understand how to use this particular. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to show a small demo of the website. I'm going to a site called folks.com. I've already installed the plugin. You can actually see it here. Just clicking on the plugin, it actually displays a lot of information about the website now. So it's showing me that there are a set of analytics plugins that are being used, the popular one being Google Analytics and Neuralink. A lot of advertisement related plugins. We have media ads, media.net, and more ads that are being used. We're using Google Tag Manager. The font uses WorkSans, and there's also Sans Serif that is actually being used. And then there is a plugin called ShareThrough that is being used. But I don't know, I don't have a lot of information. I don't know about ShareThrough. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to find more information by clicking on the link. So what it displays is it actually takes me to a web page that it actually lists down all the websites that are actually using this particular uh, technology or plugin. In this case, it's showing that it's actually a plugin that can actually help you to monetize content that you have in your website via advertisement.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and tune in for more videos around AI and productivity improvements. Thank you.